Hello, everyone. There's a moment of upcoming tension in the financial world where fortunes rise and fall that has sent shock waves through the Tesla investor community. It's the moment Ron Barron issues a warning to all Tesla investors. But what could this vague warning mean? Today, we're going to dive right into Ron Barron's message, looking at every twist and turn, finding the hidden clues, and uncovering the untold secrets that could change the Tesla landscape forever. Hold on to your seats as we go on this exciting journey where intrigue meets innovation and where every word from Ron Barron could change the game. Are you ready to find out the truth? Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery and decipher the future of Tesla. But first, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. The story builds into an impressive testament to their unmatched accomplishments. It's not just about being an auto or battery business. In the same way that Intel has been the driving force behind computers for decades, Tesla wants to be the driving force behind every vehicle on the road. Imagine a future where Tesla's self-driving technology reigns supreme and becomes the de facto standard for all vehicles. In this vision, there's no room for competitors to catch up. This is how Elon Musk, the visionary leader of Tesla, and Ron Barron, the billionaire CEO of Barron Capital, see the future. Clear as glass, Barron's unwavering faith in Tesla has not only been a matter of conviction, but also a profitable venture. He has made a staggering $6 billion from his investments in the company. But what really sets Barron apart is his unwavering commitment to the long game. He doesn't plan on cashing out anytime soon. Instead, he plans to hold on to his Tesla holdings for another 10 years. Barron has a big dream for Tesla that goes beyond just making money for himself. He wants Tesla's competitive edge to be what drives the company to dominate the prestigious S&P 500 by 2030. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality. It's based on clear standards. Tesla is on track to have a faster increase in net income, strong free cash flow growth, and a growing margin profile, all of which will go hand in hand with its rising stock price. Surprisingly, this isn't just idle speculation. It's based on solid facts and predictions. This is what Ron Barr's optimistic outlook is based on, what makes him so sure in Tesla and Elon Musk, and what problems Tesla will face in the future. Stay tuned until the end of the show to find out these answers and more. Who else shares this prot? Our friends at Seeking Alpha know how to stay ahead of the curve and find the next big thing in the stock market better than Tesla. Seeking Alpha is the person you can trust. The most up-to-date information on Tesla can be found on Seeking Alpha. It covers everything from Elon Musk to stock price goals and new products. It is the best place on the internet to find news that supports Tesla. It cuts through the negative coverage of Tesla in the major media to provide facts and analysis. Please don't miss the chance to get their special views. Click on the link in the text to get the best deal before the end of the year with the Black Friday price. People who are watching this should know that the value of your money drops by about half every 14 or 15 years, despite government assurances. 2% inflation for a short time, it always goes back to the 4% to 5% range, which means prices double every 14 or 15 years. The answer is to invest in the market, which tends to grow by 10% a year, including dividends. Ron Barron's investment mindset is to make long-term commitments to companies that could double their value. They make investments every 5 or 6 years, which is a lot more often than the usual 10 years. They focus on companies with growth rates of 15% or more, but they balance the risk by investing in more stable things like real estate. Things like resorts and banks like Charles Schwab. Ron Barron's belief in Tesla is not based on guesswork. It comes from thorough study, analysis, and a lot of experience. As an experienced long-term investor, he has closely watched Tesla's progress over the years and remains firmly convinced in this. Tesla is one of the most successful and innovative companies in the world. Such an electric car titan has consistently shaken up the auto industry with its cutting-edge technology, innovative designs, and stellar performance. However, not everyone is excited about Tesla's potential, which is likely because the company has had a lot of problems in recent years, such as production delays and quality issues. Tough regulations and a lot of competition. Because of all this chaos, Tesla's stock price has gone up and down a lot, reflecting the market's confusion and high hopes. Their own putting them at a disadvantage. Next, they on the link into their full self-driving suite shows off their AI capabilities by using advanced neural networks to help their cars handle difficult real-world situations. Tesla says it has a large network of cars on the road, and each one is equipped with sensors and cameras. This huge fleet produces a huge amount of real-world driving data. This data is a gold mine for training AI models and improving algorithms for self-driving cars, giving Tesla a big edge in improving its AI systems. Many of Tesla's rivals only use simulations for their AI, but Tesla's is based on real-world data and experience. Tesla's AI learns from driving millions of miles in real life. This gives it a level of useful knowledge and flexibility that is hard to match. Tesla's custom-designed hardware, like the FSD computer, is made to run neural networks quickly and with little power use. This hardware makes AI processes more reliable. It is a game-changer to be able to run neural networks directly on the device, even in places with limited resources like cars or robots. Tesla's FSD computer is a good example of this, bringing down running costs and latency. It's not enough to just have AI skills. We need to be able to use them right away and reliably. Take a look at Tesla's newest innovations and accomplishments. Imagine if you could spot the next Tesla before it takes off. Seeking Alpha has a unique tool called a stock screener that can help you find the best stocks that are likely to grow strongly over the long term. Imagine being able to find the next revolutionary company before it goes through the roof in terms of investment value. You might be able to find your next big chance on Seeking Alpha. Don't miss it. Check out the link in the description for a special Black Friday deal. This is the biggest sale you'll ever have, so make sure you don't miss it. Tesla is in a good situation to get into the field of humanoid robotics. Here are some important points to keep in mind. Tesla's many years of experience making large numbers of electric cars is a huge plus that sets them apart. They have a deep understanding of the complicated parts of mass production because of this experience. A set of skills that will be very important as they expand into new areas over the years. Tesla has improved its production methods to make them more efficient and cut costs. This efficiency will help them not only with making electric cars, but also with their ventures into other areas, such as humanoid robots. Tesla's supply chain management works like a well-oiled machine. They have built strong ties with their suppliers and have a well-organized logistics network. This will help them find parts for their humanoid robot production more quickly. Tesla is known for making sure that their products meet high-quality standards. They will likely do the same with their humanoid robots to make sure that they meet strict standards for safety and performance. Tesla's ability to quickly raise production is one of their biggest advantages. They have already done this with electric cars to meet rising demand, and this will be a huge deal as they enter the market for humanoid robots. Tesla has more manufacturing experience than just making electric cars. This shows that it can handle complicated production processes, keep quality high, and maximize efficiency. As they apply these skills to making humanoid robots, they will be able to take advantage of economies of scale, lower production costs, and bring high-performance robots to the market. This market has a lot of potential, and Tesla's all-around method gives them a big edge. So stay tuned for what could be the next big thing. So that's it for today. We've looked into the interesting world of Tesla's foray into robotics and the things that make them unique. Tesla's unique mix of AI know-how, large datasets, and real-world foundation models. It is a leader in the market for humanoid robots because it has powerful computing hardware and local inference capabilities. Their manufacturing skills, honed over years of making electric vehicles on a large scale, are also a big plus. Now let's hear your ideas. What do you like most about Tesla's approach to robotics? What do you think will happen to the future of automation now that Tesla is making humanoid robots? Are there any specific topics about Tesla or robotics that you'd like us to talk about in future episodes? Leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. Before we end, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a like and listening to Tesla Stock News. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.